Ever felt like you were living someone else's life? Stuck in a job that drains the soul day by day? That was me, Jimmy Carr, sitting at a desk, clock ticking away, wondering, is this it? Is this all there is? But what if I told you that this boring, soul-sucking job was the best thing that ever happened to me? Sounds crazy, right? Well, buckle up, because this is the story of how I went from corporate drone to comedy kingpin. And trust me, it's a laugh. So there I was, day after day, staring at endless spreadsheets, wondering if I was secretly in hell. Ever wonder if you're wasting your life? Well, I did, every single day. But what do you do when you're good at something that makes you miserable? Do you keep going, hoping one day it'll all make sense? Or do you take a leap into the unknown? I knew there had to be more to life than TPS reports and quarterly reviews, but did I have the guts to find out? One quiet evening, away from the spreadsheets and soul-crushing boredom, I had a moment of clarity. You know, that light bulb moment when everything just clicks. I realized I'd been playing it safe for too long, stuck in a life that didn't fit. What if the thing that scares you the most is the very thing you need to do? Could I really walk away from it all and chase a dream? I knew one thing for sure. I couldn't ignore the itch any longer. And then came the decision, the moment of truth. Stay in the comfort of what I knew, or leap into the unknown. Have you ever stood at a crossroads in your life, wondering which way to go? Well, I chose the path less traveled, and let me tell you, it was terrifying. But isn't that what life's about? Taking risks, embracing the fear, and hoping like hell it all works out? As I stepped onto that stage for the first time, I wasn't just walking away from a job, I was stepping into a whole new life. Stepping into comedy wasn't just about telling jokes, it was about discovering the power of laughter. Did you know that laughter can break down barriers, lift spirits, and even change lives? I found that making people laugh wasn't just my job, it was my purpose. And the more I leaned into it, the more I realized just how much the world needed a good laugh. Whether on stage or off, I saw firsthand how humor could transform a moment, a day, even a life. So, what's the takeaway here? It's simple. Embrace your passion. Life's too short to be stuck in a rut, doing something that drains you. Whether it's comedy, painting, or cooking, whatever lights you up inside, that's what you should be chasing. Because when you follow what excites you, the world just feels brighter, doesn't it? So, what's your passion, and what's stopping you from going after it? Here's another gem. Use humor as a tool. Life's tough, we all know that. But a well-placed joke, or a light-hearted comment, can turn a stressful moment into something manageable. Have you ever noticed how a little laughter can make even the heaviest burdens feel lighter? It's like magic. So, why not use humor to navigate the rough patches? Trust me, a smile and a laugh can go a long way. In the end, laughter didn't just change my life, it can change yours too. It's more than just a punchline, it's a lifeline. So, why not start today? Whether you're looking for a way out of the mundane or just a little more joy in your life, remember this, a good laugh can be the first step. So, what's holding you back? Pick up before and laughter and let humor do the rest.